Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about array of objects in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us understand array of objects with help of this program. So in this file, we have this class employee and it contains three fields: ID, name and designation. And we set the values of these fields using the employee constructor. And in our test class and inside the main method, you can see that I have created three employee objects, right? And on line 22, I have created an array of employees, right? Which is similar to our primitive array. And here you can see that I have created an initialize an array of objects using the class name, right? So here we have this class name instead of the primitive data type. And below from line 23 to 25, I have stored each employee to the individual index in an array, right? And finally on line 28, what we do is we have this print statement using which we print all the information about employees in an array. So inside the method body, I have this, printed this ID, name and designation. Now, there are a few more things that you need to know about arrays. So here I have created this my interface and have this my class, which is a class that implements that my interface, right? And on line 11, I have created an array of interface, right? But the actual value that is stored inside the array of an interface will be the object of a class that implements that interface. All right. Now, similar to your interface, you can also create an array of abstract class. So here we have this abstract class vehicle, and then we have this car and the bus class, which extends our vehicle class. And on line 11, we have this array of vehicle class, and you can see that each element in an index is the concrete class object, right? So we have this object of car class and the object of bus class, right? So these both the classes extends the vehicle class. All right. And one further thing that you need to know about array of objects is that your array element can contain an null reference also. So this is also a valid element in an array of objects. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.